All right, I'm working on this piece that cracked when it dried, the handle, which doesn't usually happen to me. So what I'm gonna do is the parts that aren't totally, some of them are totally separated, like you can actually see light through those ones. On the bottom, they didn't pop off like that. So I'm just very gently, let's see here, breaking the cracks and melding these together on the part that, the bottom part where it's not as bad. Plan B. Okay. So what I'll do now, maybe even easier. Oh, nice. Look at how that just came right off. We're just gonna shave that. Pretend like that never was going to happen in the first place. I was really sure this was gonna be an easy cleanup and I was gonna use bisquefix to plug the handle. I'll try to do that side and just have it be one-sided. But this is nice. This is really easy cleanup. So far, knock on wood. I don't know if that counts, MDF. Knock on MDF. Okay. Just using a wooden tool to just very, very gently erase. Okay, let's see if we can do it on this side. But that was really a nice cleanup. Thank you, Pot. Okay, let's see this side. This side, I think I already did it before I started recording. And so that one I think we're safe with. Okay, great. So, okay, so what I'm gonna do is patch all of that, if I can, with some bisquefix. What I have here is some bone dry trimmings of the same clay body. I'm just gonna crumble them up and mix it with a little bit of bisquefix so the bisquefix changes to the color of the clay, so it's not white. Okay, here, we need to be doing this. I'm gonna put this on here, just a little clay cookie, and I'm gonna crush this up nice. I don't need all that much of this, so I don't wanna make more than I need. Okay, great. So, all right, here's my bisquefix. I haven't used it since the first time I tried it. One thing I learned was to put a layer of water on top when you're done using it so it doesn't turn into a rock. So I'm hoping that's what I'm gonna find in here, a non-rock. Yeah, it's still liquid, great. Okay, so I'll just take this tool, stir it up really good. Hey, that's excellent, because a lot of people complained that theirs just turned into cement and they only got one use out of it. Okay. I like these plastic tools for this job. I think that's what I used last time and it cleaned up pretty easily. Okay. All right. I think I'm also gonna have to use a brush. I don't know how else I'll get it in there, but maybe this tool will suffice. Okay, all nice and mixed. And then I'm going to add some of this. There we go, I think. Here's my little cookie. And I'm gonna just add some of this bisquefix to it. I'm sure you can do the same thing the other way around. Okay, and then I'll mix those together. So now I have bisquefix that is the color of my clay. kind of gritty. Okay, I have two things I want to do this with, use this with. So, and I really feel like a brush is going to be the best to get it into these crevices. So let me see. I'll start with this because this is what I have in my hand. Oh, I hate to touch it. Okay, because I know it's going to be like, whoosh. Let me get a brush. Okay, this is a brush I'm willing to lose. Hopefully, oh shit, I just dipped it in the bisquefix. Okay, that's fine. Let me use it to mix this stuff better to get rid of some of those crummies. And I'll clean off this tool. Set it on the side somewhere. Okay. So mixing it a little bit better with the brush. And then painting it in there. Trying to gloop a little bit in there. And last time I only did this on bisqueware, so this is different. You can supposedly use it on bisqueware and greenware. All right, so it's kind of a big crack. Just painting it right into the crack. See over here? My grandpa was a dentist, so this mirror is actually helping me. I mean, the camera, I can use it like a mirror. Okay. And I think what I'll do is I'll let this dry and then I'll just go back and very gently sand this. Because it is a little bit of a mess, especially on the outside. Maybe I'll go back with I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do. So that's what it looks like right now. And yeah, I should be able to gingerly sand it after it dries. And my other piece is I had made a clay ruler that I broke. So I'm just going to use the end of this to pop that back together. And I think I'll be done using this. Let's see here. Since I have a little bit left, I might like run around and see if there's anything else just laying around that's dying to get bisque fixed. Set that down. Hopefully that'll, let me see here. I think it's just really absorbent. I'm gonna stick more in there, use it all up. It's gonna take up some space, which is not great for a ruler, but you gotta do it. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna not touch that, let that sit there and clean off my brush really quick. And I'll cap this off. I think I probably should leave that in there.